today, today, we will be doing, block sprint. So let me show you. How will we, hold this up? I have a good idea, guys. I have an awesome idea. Let's do this. Let's try this. This way. Nope, it's gonna have to lay down like that for it to work. So let's just try this. This, and it's leaning downish. You know what? I don't know how to get it. I don't really know how to get it, so let's just see, guys. Oh, if you have any ideas for me, let me know. Because I think you can try some. The video as well. Sure. Wait, I have a good idea, guys. I have an awesome idea. This is gonna work well. Is this gonna work? Let's put a trash can on top of the ladder. What? Because I'm making a YouTube video. Is that gonna even work? That sort of works. Hey, Andrew, could you hold the camera up? Yeah, thanks. All right, now come on. So you're just gonna hold the camera up.
And as you can see, I'll show you.
Yeah. So Andrew will hold the camera up like this, will you? Andrew? So all I need you to do is sit there, keep the camera just like that. Perfect, don't move it. Middle down. There. Like that. That will work.
For the whole video?
Yeah. So guys, I don't know any thing to do, so let's just do something random. Oops, sorry guys. If that ever happens to you, if you can do what? Ow! Alright, but let's do automatic placement. So like that. Like that. And now we are gonna make a T. This. For the walkway.
Oh, that's nice.
See this?
It looks like a T.
It is a T.
Oh, can you make TNT?
We're just gonna do that with it.
Can you like
And now
make
there's gonna be
TNT?
Two entrances.
Can you make TNT?
Probably not.
Why? That still look like a T.
Wait, I have a good idea.
What are you gonna do?
It's fall, so why don't we make an autumn house?
Oh yeah, it's still fall outside.
Yeah.
Do I gotta do this for the whole video?
Yeah.
No.
Well, you can scooch around and you can scoot around and stuff. You know that, right? You can scoot around.
What about
No, that won't work. Let's try it. See, that won't work. You gotta hold it up.
let's
Good. There you go. So now, let's do garden. Wait, let's go on decorations. Let's try. What should we buy? Let's buy something with BS Bucks first. Mini fridge, ice cream machine, or beverage fridge. Comment down in the comments down below. Comment in the comments down below to see which one I should
the
get.
next video, it's just gonna be me, okay?
But I am gonna do a ice cream machine.
So the next video, it's gonna be me.
Wait, I gotta place a counter. I know guys.
Why can't I sit on the bed and do it?
You can. You see what's true. need to delete the fridge.
It's working.
I need to delete the fridge and then do counters. This before, this video might take a little bit of work, so hopefully it works. Alright. Let's delete both. So I got the ice cream machine in my inventory. Do you want to see my inventory? Too bad if I left one too fast. I have a popcorn machine in my other box. Which I have like 15 bucks.
Do.
Could you please stop? And now let's try this. So guys, let's get started with the video. Stop. Andrew, stop shaking the camera.
I can't see you.
It's okay. All you need to do is see the screen. But if you shake the camera, the video won't work out.
I'm not shaking it, look.
Thank you. But if you shake it once more, you're in very big trouble.
I am. I'm not gonna shake it once. Oh, I see your slippers
Yeah, I know.
on the table. Zoe has a onesie on and I do too. Zoe's is a fox one and mine is a Lego bag.
Yeah, you could get this onesie for $40 at Justice.
Comment below if you wear onesies.
Yeah, because they're very comfortable.
Yeah, and you can zip them down, but it's really hard to go potty with them.
Sometimes.
Pull your pants down, not
So-
like pull your pants down. You just gotta unzip it like this.
So I'm going to delete this whole wall.
You gotta unzip it. I'm just gonna show my body.
You gotta unzip it like that, and then zip it back up because it sometimes can get a big.
Sometimes complicated. Wait, you're making a real YouTube video?
Yeah.
Is mine gonna be on your channel? And Zoe, you can put your hood up. Comment below if you have hoods on your onesies.
Yeah. Yeah.
Comment below if you have like slippers on your onesies. I don't because boys don't have them. But
I do.
girls I'm Batman. Zoe, put your hood up. I'll show you. Yeah, as you can see, Zoe's a little flower. And I'm like a little spider thing.
Wait, never mind.
Was there a shark one?
No. Well, there was, but it was like my size.
Really?
Really. So the only one that was hanging out there was the Batman for you. It was like it was waiting for you. So guys, give me ideas. Give me some ideas.
They said maybe make like a little townhouse.
You don't know that.
No, they just said it.
No, you don't know what they said yet.
No, they didn't. I know. Oh, they just said townhouse. So make a townhouse.
Why?
Because they just said make a townhouse.
Why?
So make
I'm making a modern
what's still a townhouse? As you can, so like my YouTube video is always gonna have to hold my phone up, right? So
No.
well, her
You're not
iPad
playing
up.
Roblox on this.
What?
You're not playing Roblox.
Yes, I am.
You could.
Yes, I am. I promise I'll switch back to your avatar. Promise.
How about you do it on Dad's big computer? Whoop. Where is it? Right there. So let's get you started up. And then you hold the camera up. Yeah, but first we gotta finish my house. Let me go. No, not to Blacksburg. That's all you're gonna have to do. That's all you're gonna do. But you can't play yet. You know why?
Why?
Because I'm building. So guys, comment down below what garage door I should add. I'm gonna add this tall frosted double door.
Wait. I'm gonna get my mouse set up.
Can you get my mouse set up? No. I don't even know how.
Hey, do you remember that little switch thing that goes in?
No. Hold the camera up, Andrew. That's holding it up too much. My brother doesn't know the techniques of.
Look, Zoe,
YouTube.
I can still see it. I can still see your game.
So I've been trying to do this house forever, but it never turned out right. So let's just.
I don't want to hold up the camera for a long time.
Well, you have to, kid.
I can't.
Well, if you don't obey me, you're gonna be in trouble. Okay?
How about we do this? I can stay right here.
No, it's not gonna work. You're gonna have to hold it up.
No.
Yes, or else. So, guys, it's just gonna be a pause. Let's take the trash can, put it up here. Oh, it's not gonna work.
Come on here.
My lovely daughter, I don't want to see this behind your dresser anymore. Don't give me that look. All of these wrappers were shoved behind your dresser.
Well, that wasn't me. That was my brother.
No.
I was gonna play on here.
Why is that on top of there?
Zoe.
That's Daddy's computer.
Okay, stop, Mom. You're
Absolutely
ruining
not.
my video. Well, bye, guys. I know I have to go.